how to sign in or log in to YouTube. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open YouTube on your device, and if you have not signed in yet, then you will see the option for sign in there. So tap on the sign in option you see there, and then tap on the use add account option you see there. Further, go ahead and enter your login credentials, that is your email ID and the password for your Google account or any account that you have connected to YouTube previously. And once you have entered your login credentials, tap on the sign in option you see there, and with this, as you can see, you will be signed in to YouTube successfully. So this is how you can sign in or log in to YouTube. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.